The Department of State Services, wey dem dey call DSS, on Monday carry 5 men go Federal High Court for Abuja, say dem join hand for the attack wey shele on June 5, 2022 for St. Francis Catholic Church, Owo, Ondo State. The 5 people wey be Idris Abdulmalik Omeiza, Al-Qasim Idris, Jamiu Abdulmalik, Abdulhalim Idris, and Momo Otuho Abubakar go face court for attack wey kill more than 40 people and wound over 100 people. DSS carry dem go court with 9 counts terrorism charge with case number FHC ABJ CR 301/2025. For the charge, DSS tok say the accused be member of Al-Shabaab terrorist group wey get base for Kogi State. Dem also tok say the attack na because of religious belief. When dem read the charge for court, the 5 people tok say dem no dey guilty, and after that, DSS lawyer Callistus Eze beg the court make dem keep the accused for DSS custody till trial start. But defense lawyer Abdullahi Muhammad beg the court make DSS allow the accused see their family and lawyer. Muhammad tok say since 2022 wey dem arrest dem never see family or lawyer. Eze tok say normally, family and lawyer fit see detainees if dem write formal request. Eze still tok say e don reach time make the accused see their lawyer so dem fit prepare their defense. Judge Emeka Nwite come order say make dem keep the accused for DSS custody. He come adjourn the case go August 19 make trial for start.
I'm just meeting them for the first time today. Just meeting them for the time. I wrote several letters, and that was why I pleaded with the court to please order them that each time we come to see them, we should be allowed. I want to say perhaps we force them to arraign them. We filed fundamental already. The fundamental was on. We filed the fundamental here in this court. So the matter is there. Maybe perhaps they discover that it's better they come and arraign them than keeping them.
Security source tok say 4 out of the 5 accused don already confess before, and the 5th one be willing accomplice. Dem still tok say the case na part of DSS new plan to handle cases fast and stop long investigation delay. Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ohifemi Onosimo, TMC News.